Yo, what's good? It's your boy Unbox King, unboxing the good things in life. So today we have a special surprise for you. See what came in today. Alright, let's get into it. It's a Nike box. You already know what time it is. Let's peel this bad boy open, see what's good and what's inside. Alright, so off rip, Steven Harrington collab, came out with 3 versions. Got the Cortezes, Blazers, and then we got the Nike Air Forces. The Air Forces, stupid fire, but we got the Cortezes, you know, gotta settle at some point. But right here, got the recycle illustration around the world, famous palm trees, with the box. The box feels crazy, nice and smooth. Right here you got the personal Nike swoosh. He personalized pretty much everything about this whole experience right here. You got another illustration, something close right there. These are size 10.5. DM me if you want them. Just kidding. You know, I'm trying to collect these. So right here, let's open up the box. Alright. Right here, he got a personal little reading. Check that out. Now, he did have, like I said, the 3 collabs. Had the Blazers, the Air Forces, and the Cortezes. Now these are the clean Cortezes. It's the illustration right there in the main. That's the first thing you're going to see as soon as you open up the box. Right there. And then on the heel tab, you got the personal Nike swoosh. Again, like a teal color. And then another palm tree illustration right there. And then when you come around, right there, you got another illustration of the palm tree with the Cortez and the laces, and then it comes with a nice little lace pack, teal and black, so you can switch them out anytime. And then let's pull out the other shoe right here. This has been crazy. Been waiting for these for a week. Came out, sneakers app, $90, $95 in total after shipping and handling and everything. Not bad at all, and definitely a nice little pair. So right there you got a different little illustration on that tab. It's dope. Different color on the Nike swoosh on the right foot. Same illustration, and it's dope. Pretty much very clean. Nice all white, and they do come with the fill inside, so you can keep them nice and uncreased. You know, I'll probably display these on my own. I'm probably not gonna rock these just because I'm a big art enthusiast and a big sneakerhead. So once I seen this being collabed, I was like, yeah, I definitely gotta grab these. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on the Nike Cortez Steven Harrington collaboration. If you were one of the lucky viewers to snag these or the other 2 versions, go ahead and comment down below, as well as any suggestions of what you would want me to unbox next. Last but not least, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for any future videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
You crazy mother...